Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a Blu-ray DVD player from LG, and the model seems to be here, a BP350. So let's get into the video. So first off, what we need to do is cut the tape along the middle and the side, so let's do that. There we go. Now we can open this up. Alright, first thing we got here is a user manual. It's pretty standard. So I'm not entirely sure what this is. I believe this is where the cables are, which we'll open this up quickly. Yeah, see? So there's an adapter right there. Perfect, so we have our remote. As you can see here, we got one AAA battery, as you can see right here. And then we got our power adapter. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, the DVD player itself. Let's take this off carefully. Here is the DVD player. You can see this has a nice texture around it. I like the checkered. So as you can see here, there's USB in the front with the power, on and off buttons, the eject button, and the actual DVD bay itself. But on the back, we have our DC input. I'm guessing, okay, so it's 12 volts, and this is the HDMI output. And here's the bottom. Nothing special here. You got your screws on the side and all that. So that's about it for this unboxing. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thanks. Have a great day.